idea na, bakit hindi ka mag-business? Bakit hindi ka mag-ano? So, pinustro nila ako. So, yun, doon ako na-inspired na pagpatuloy na ako pagluluto.
Last but not the least, heirloom recipes mula sa Casey's Kitchen.
Casey's Kitchen officially started April last year. I often go to God's house, bring my kids, and then with invite some kids over. So, na-try din yung food, sabi niya, why don't we offer it online? So, that's when we got the idea. We both have found background. We wanted the menu that's simple, classic Filipino comfort food with a distinct Kapampangan taste.
Kasama kong magre-review ng ating online food sellers, ang ating celebrity reviewer, kapuso actress na si birthday girl, Ana De Leon. Ang ating expert reviewer, executive chef ng Chef Joe's Kitchen, si Chef Joel Yu. At ang ating online blogger, si Georgia Enrico. Ang ating criteria, food variety.
Ayoko na
Goodies, ang food grade to go no August 2018. Available ang kanilang food grade na good for 10 or 20%. Ang kanilang IG take note nila. Food grade to go. Okay guys, food grade to go. Ating and we are actually being hosted by the laboratory. Kita Angela Borte. And kasi gusto natin subok sa setting. Kung magawa tayo ay may party, meron tayong Christmas party, meron tayong mga kapuso natin. Kung magawa tayo sa kanila, ganito ang kanilang i-deliver sa inyo. Right now, we'd like to try the salmon caviar cake. Goes for only 300 pesos, but it is good for 5 to 7 persons. Try mo na sa crumble na. Good.
Oh, sige naman, sarap yung lasa.
That's only a starter. Salmon caviar cake.
Hilo na hilo.
We're ready for our next dish.
Lupan.
Crispy kangkong with garlic mayo dip. And by the way, these are family recipes, everything family recipes.
No pwede.